Okay, kumplesa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Ang game po natin, tatawagin natin siyang mock basketball. So, ganito po yung mechanics ng game. Okay. Next naman po ang mga daddy.
Si Ronald. Tommy. Ernie.
Okay. Since nagpakilala na sila, kailangan natin bigyan ang bawat group ng pangalan. Okay, mga mommies, ano po gusto nyo itawag sa grupo nyo?
Super mom daw.
Okay, mga super moms. Kayo mga daddies, ano po pangalan ng grupo nyo?
Super dad.
Okay, Superman daw. Superman and super moms. Okay, ready na ba? Ma'am, ready na po ba mga mommies and daddies?
Ready na.
Sandali, ano gagawin para ipasa sa kanya?
Okay, ganito po. So, kayo yung kanila sila. Okay, kids. Panoorin niyo po muna sila mommy and daddy. Okay, ready?
Go.
Number 1, pass the ball to number 3. Dribble. Exhibition. Angelina. Pass the ball to number 5. Number 5, Angelina. Exhibition. Pass the ball to number 1. Angelina. Exhibition. Dribble. Pass the ball to number 4. Number 4, Angelina. Exhibition. Dribble. Pass the ball to number 2. Number 2, Angelina. Exhibition. Dribble. Exhibition. Pass the ball to number 5. Number 5, Angelina. Pass the ball to number 1. Exhibition. Dribble. Pass the ball to number 3. To number 2. To number 4. Dribble. Exhibition. Pass the ball to number 1. To number 3. To number 4. To number 5. Angelina. Exhibition. Dribble. Pass the ball to number 1. Number 1, Angelina. Pass the ball to number 3. To number 2. Angelina. Exhibition. Dribble. Shoot that ball! Okay, sino nauna? Okay, 1 point na Superman. Okay. Ready na ba sa round 2? Okay. Hindi, para ma-exercise tayo, mga mommies and daddies. Okay, number 1, exhibition. Pass the ball to number 4. Number 4, Angelina. Pass the ball to number 3. Dribble. Exhibition. Pass the ball to number 1. Number 1, Angelina. Pass the ball to number 2. Number 2, dribble. Exhibition. Pass the ball to number 5. Number 5, dribble. Pass the ball to number 4. Exhibition. Pass the ball to number 1. Angelina. Pass the ball to number 2. Number 2, Angelina. Exhibition. Pass the ball to number 5. To number 2. To number 1. To number 3. Exhibition. Dribble. Pass the ball to number 5. Shoot that ball! Dribble. Pass the ball to number 3. Angelina. Very good si Daddy. Pass the ball to number 4. To number 3. To number 2. Dribble. Exhibition. Pass the ball to number